Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Adda YouTube channel. In this session, we will do current affairs MCQs from 21st January 2026 and we will cover all possible MCQs. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So coming to today's first MCQ, the India International Conference on Democracy and Election Management, that is IICD-EM 2026, is hosted by which institution? Option B, that is Election Commission of India. IICD-EM 2026 will be held at which venue? It will be held at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. IICD-EM 2026 is scheduled from which dates? Option C, it is 21st to 23rd January 2026. Approximately how many international delegates will participate in IICD-EM 2026? Option D, nearly 100. Which institute is organizing IICD-EM 2026? Option B, it is India International Institute of Democracy and Election Management. Which digital platform will be launched by ECI during IICD-EM 2026? Option B, it is ECI Net. The docuseries India Decides showcased at IICD-EM 2026 relates to which election? Option C, Lok Sabha 2024. The India-UAE Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement was signed in which year? Option C, that is 2022. India-UAE bilateral trade reached approximately how much in financial year 2024 to 25? Option B, it is 100 billion US dollars. India and UAE have targeted bilateral trade of how much US dollars by 2032? Option C, that is 200 billion. Which Indian state is associated with the Dholera Special Investment Region? Option A, Gujarat. The 10-year LNG supply agreement is between HPCL and which UAE company? So the agreement is between HPCL and ADNOC Gas. Under the LNG agreement, HPCL will receive how much LNG annually? Option B, 0.5 MMTPA. Which act enables enhanced civil nuclear cooperation between India and UAE? Option A, Shanti Act 2025. INS Sudarshini will undertake which expedition? Option C, Lokayan 26. Lokayan 26 is a dash expedition. So it is a 10-month expedition. INS Sudarshani will visit how many foreign ports during Lokayan 26? Option D, 18. INS Sudarshani will participate in Escalade Cite held in which country? Option C, France. C dot stands for So it stands for Center for Development of Telematics. C dot won Scotch Award 2025 for which solution? Option C, Cell Broadcast Solution. Cell Broadcast Solution is primarily used for it is primarily used for disaster and emergency alerts. Niryat Protsahan scheme is related to Option D, Export Credit Interest Subvention. Operational guidelines for Niryat Protsahan were issued by it was issued by Reserve Bank of India. Who will receive the Padmapani Award at the 11th Ajanta Ellora International Film Festival? Option B, Ilayaraja. The Ajanta Ellora International Film Festival will be held in it will be held at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Who is said to become the new national president of BJP? Option A, Nitin Nabin. Which force celebrates its rising day on 19th January? Option D, it is National Disaster Response Force. Palanivelu Guts is the autobiography of it is the autobiography of Dr. C. Palanivelu. The Hindi edition of Palanivelu Guts was released by Option D, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan. So that's it for today, everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.